Did you know that you can start making money online with just a few hours of learning? Today, I'm sharing 3 easy skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience required. Stick around because these skills are beginner friendly, low effort, and perfect for anyone looking to boost their income. Let's dive in. The first skill is social media management. With businesses spending billions on social media marketing, they need skilled managers to create engaging content, run ads, and grow their online communities. Here's how you can make money with social media management freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal. Local businesses approach small businesses that need help managing their social media accounts. Agency work. Join a digital marketing agency to gain experience and build your portfolio. The average social media manager earns between $20 to $100 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can begin. Here's how you can learn social media management free resources. YouTube channels like Social Media Examiner or blogs like Hootsuite's blog offer great tips. Paid courses, check out platforms like Coursera, Social Media Marketing Specialization, or Udemy, Social Media Management Mastery. Practice tools, use free tools like Canva for designing posts or Buffer for scheduling content. Once you've learned the basics, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for beginners to find small projects. Fiverr, perfect for offering quick social media management gigs. LinkedIn, ideal for connecting with businesses looking for social media experts. Now, let's explore the second skill. The second skill is graphic design. With businesses and creators needing eye-catching visuals for their brands, graphic designers are in high demand. Here's how you can make money with graphic design. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or 99 Designs. Sell digital products. Create and sell templates, logos, or social media kits on marketplaces like Creative Market or Etsy. Work with brands. Partner with small businesses or influencers to design their branding materials. The average graphic designer earns between $25 to $150 per hour, depending on their experience. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn graphic design. Free resources. YouTube channels like The Future or Will Patterson offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Skillshare, Graphic Design Basics, or Udemy, Adobe Illustrator for beginners. Practice tools. Use free tools like Canva or GIMP to get started. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance graphic design gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering affordable design services. Behance, ideal for showcasing your portfolio and attracting clients. Next, let's dive into the third skill. The third skill is copywriting. If you can write persuasive content, you can make money by helping businesses sell their products or services. Here's how you can make money with copywriting. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or ProBlogger. Work with brands. Partner with businesses to create ads, emails, or website content. Sell templates. Create and sell pre-made copywriting templates or swipe files on marketplaces like Etsy or Creative Market. The average copywriter earns between $50 to $200 per project, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn copywriting. Free resources. YouTube channels like Copywriting Secrets or blogs like Copyblogger offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Coursera, Copywriting Specialization, or Udemy, Copywriting for Beginners. Practice tools. Use tools like Grammarly for proofreading or Hemingway Editor to simplify your content. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance copywriting gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering quick copywriting services. ProBlogger Job Board, ideal for long-term writing opportunities. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations! You now know 3 easy skills that can help you make money online fast: social media management, graphic design, and copywriting. Whether you're a beginner or looking to diversify your income streams, these skills are beginner-friendly and can help you build a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small. Focus on one skill and scale as you go. Be consistent. Show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.